Hello and welcome to this update from the Wurth chair. We're here in the lab today because we have a new piece of equipment that was installed and commissioned today, and we've got Chris here to tell us all about it.
Yeah, that's our new particle analyzer from the company Microtech, part of the Wurth group. And with this new equipment, we're going to analyze our new porous materials that we're going to manufacture.
And what technique is it using to make the particle size distribution measurements?
It's a laser, a dynamic light scattering, so we can use the laser, measure in steady conditions, or we can even take it and measure in mixed or steered conditions. So it's quite handy, very handy to use. And yeah, we are looking forward to use it, get a better and a deeper understanding of the particle size distribution of our nanomaterials, and then we want to integrate them into our membranes and then see how the particle size or the particle size distribution affects our membranes.
Excellent. And this is quite a unique feature because other instruments that use this technique, you have to put your samples in a cuvette, but the ability to actually track the evolution of the particle size distribution as a synthesis proceeds is really quite unique. And I really look forward to us being able to test that. And you didn't mention the second part of the instrument here. What does this part do?
Yeah, this one comes along with the Nanotrack Flex. This is the zeta potential analyzer. They work together, so we also get a deeper understanding of the zeta potential of our materials.
Super. So we're very grateful to the University of Luxembourg through their equipment fund, supporting the purchase of this equipment. And together it lets us synthesize good materials like these samples that Chris has already made, characterize them, and like Chris said, use them for good things like membranes for gas separation. Thanks for following the activities of the Wurth chair through these videos.